How about you? I'm Hank. Welcome to Hamiltonville Farm. I got Wiley with me today. You can at least wave, Wiley. They can't hear me. We're too far away. Anyway, we're going to load up a ground saw and a skidder today. So this is the ground saw we got over here. And he's going to bring it over here. Look at Wiley directing traffic. So after we load this, what's that, Wiley? Yeah. After we load this ground saw, we've got a skidder that we're going to go load. Yeah, it's at the same place where the skidder fell off the other trailer. And it's actually the same driver. Different trailer this time. It's got a detach now. But so this guy's come back and I guess he's glutton for punishment. So we're actually gonna, the skidder that we used in the last video with no brakes and leaking hydraulic really bad, that's the one we're gonna load up here. So it's crazy how it comes full circle, ain't it? We're gonna take the old Barco 595 hydrostatic. I haven't seen a lot of Barcos working. We'll see them every now and again, but a lot of guys around here use deer and tiger cats. So this Barco here is actually for sale. Got about 2,000 hours on it. It's a clean machine. Practically, I mean, it's a fairly good looking machine. But it is for sale if you know anybody in the market for a Barco 595B. I'm going to slide this back and get the head of the saw against the ramps. Wiley, this went a little easier than the last time we loaded this guy's truck.
Done it yet. I hope you didn't drink it.
There it is. All right, he'll chain this down. We'll get on the road and we'll get the skidder that we're loading is about an hour and 15 minutes from here. In a semi, maybe an hour and a half. And we'll go get that. We'll go get it loaded. So be back in half a second. We're actually going to the skidder that has the washness in it. It's a G2, right?
Yes,
Wiley?
that's right.
And it was where all the briars were. We ended up hooking the truck up to it to jump it off with the battery in the Dodge. So that's the one we're going to. And so for some reason I was thinking we were going to the one that we were using to push the loader or the skidder up with a few videos back. But anyway, Wiley straightened me out.
How come you ain't got the air conditioner on?
I know. Well, you had the keys.
You ain't much of a partner in ride.
Man, I ain't much of nothing, to be honest with you.
Well, I mean, I don't think you would get any feedback bad. Negative feedback bad.
All right, let's go get. We're going to go back to my place, get my gooseneck, and we're going to load up a telehandler to help load up the skidder. All right, we thought we would get the Lowell telehandler over there, but we're going to opt to go with the 410. We think that'll work, so no problem. We'll get it loaded up on back of the old dirge there and get to the skidder. Gotta be careful with that hose down there. That's still. Oh, that's heavy. I'd say that's the heaviest load I've ever put on that thing. I'll let you look at it. That's good right there. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if that's gonna be too heavy or not. All right, got her chained down. On the road we go. That's heavy. We're gonna take all back roads so we can go slow. I don't think I'm overweight. I'm just maxed out. So I think my truck will pull 14,000. My trailer will do 14,000. And that's a 14,000 pound tractor. He's gonna back her off now. Just go slow, buddy. Easy cheesy. All right, we're gonna go down there and get the skidder. Just gonna go ahead and get this thing positioned and detached, and then we'll go from there. While we're here, might as well get all the briars out of the way. So many snakes he chases out of there. All right, we gotta crank this bad boy up so we can get her out of here a little easier.
Hopefully the parking brake will release when we do.
It will. I mean, hopefully. Watch our buddies up there. You want me to get a can of ether? No, I got some already. Wiley said, "Look at all these blackberries I'm missing," but I done picked half dozen.
Will you be my friend?
I like you. Wiley, you need me to get some ether?
Probably.
We ended up taking a piece of sheet metal off because we couldn't get a good grip on the vice grips on the starter, so we took some sheet metal off the side. I think they said the parking brake, something about the parking brake, so they're going to try to see if they can get it in neutral and release the parking brake. Alright, grapples up, blades up. Yeah, that ain't looking good. Looks like the parking brake might be on. Gear. There it goes. He had it in gear. So far, so good, huh? Don't. Okay. And get the pulling again. Now you straight back. Let me look at that side. Now I need to straighten. Okay. Ooh, that's all that 410 can handle. Think about trying to use that chain as a winch to pull himself up with. So he'll draw up the grapple as he pushes with the tractor. All right, let it down. One last tug. I'm gonna pull them on the rest of the way with my superhuman strength. I think that's good. I think that's good. I think he just needs to leave it alone right there. See, there. I think it's good, man. But they had a discussion amongst themselves. They said they could see what was going on, so. I think that's perfect right there. Now he just needs to drop that grapple. Can't believe we did it. I mean, I can believe it because we're pretty awesome. Me and Wiley were joking that this ain't gonna get near as the views because we didn't, nothing broke.
No, it was a good load and didn't tear his trailer up. We want to remind the viewers,
yeah,
this is the same truck driver that the load fell off on.
Yeah. I asked him if he needed me to back his thing in here. If he was having trouble, just to let me know. I'd jump up there.
That went over there.
Yeah. All right, we got the 410 loaded up. This time I used the kickstand. If you haven't seen the video of me welding this kickstand, go back and check it out. I used the kickstand. Look how far it went in the ground. But hey, it actually helped a lot. We're gonna go help him finish chaining down, and then we're gonna get out of here. You guys leave a comment if you think this was a little better than last time. All right, there it is. Hey, what y'all don't see right now, what Wiley's doing, he's getting stuff out of the way, like pieces of material, like old metal chips or whatever that fell off the skidder. And what you didn't see a while ago, and this is what I like about Wiley so much, he actually, we dug some holes in the ground, you know, we made some ruts in the ground with the tractor, and he went over there with his foot and kicked them all back over, you know, to kind of clean it up a little bit. Nobody sees that kind of stuff, but you know, that's the kind of guy he is, you know. And there he goes. The skidder and the ground saw is off to Kentucky. Just checking this trailer. Man, it's been a long day. The ground saw and the skidder they're about an hour and 15 minutes, maybe an hour and a half away from each other. Plus, we had to go load up the 410. And now we got to take the 410 back, and I think I'm gonna treat Wiley to dinner tonight. we like Mexican, so maybe we'll go. There's a little Mexican restaurant up the street from where we're dropping this 410 off. We'll go drop it off there, and off he goes. Next stop, Kentucky. What do you say we go grab some nachos? Hey, listen, we appreciate you guys watching. Take care. God bless you guys.